Cognitive decline is a common phenomenon as people age and can lead to changes in mental functioning that can affect an individual's quality of life. It can present itself in different ways such as reduced memory function, difficulty concentrating and focusing, slower reaction time, impaired judgment and problem-solving skills, and even changes in language abilities. It can also lead to a reduction in social engagement and participation. The Montreal Cognitive Assessment, also known as MOCA, is one of the most commonly used tests to measure and track cognitive decline. The MOCA test helps detect mild cognitive impairment and other conditions that can affect cognitive functioning. It consists of questions and tasks that test a person's short-term memory, orientation to time and place, language, abstraction capabilities, attention span, problem-solving, and visual spatial abilities. Administered by healthcare professionals, it typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes and has a maximum score of 30. You can use the MOCA test to screen for cognitive decline in elderly patients, diagnose neurodegenerative diseases, monitor the effects of medication and treatments, assess patients suspected of having mild cognitive impairment. The MOCA test is a simple assessment tool that can provide reliable results in a short amount of time. This printable test worksheet is suitable for the following: gerontologists, geriatricians, occupational therapists, clinical psychologists, and more. To use our free MOCA test, follow these steps. Download our MOCA test from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, administer the test. Have the patient answer each of the questions or complete each of the tasks. Make sure to record their responses or scores as you go along. Examples of some of the tasks are drawing a clock and naming the animals. Lastly, interpret the results. Once all the questions or tasks are complete, compare the patient's total score with the cutoff score. Highlight any areas where they may be experiencing cognitive impairment and recommend further assessment if necessary. Here is a sample of our MOCA test, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our MOCA test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.